Turning now to a big announcement from the nation's top doctor. He's demanding warning labels on social media apps. The U.S. Surgeon General says there is a mental health crisis among young people with social media emerging as an important contributor. That's why he wants tobacco and alcohol style warning labels on sites like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Here's Alex Stone with more.
Surgeon General Vivek Murthy is calling for warning-style labels on social media platforms similar to those for cigarettes and alcohol. In an op-ed in the New York Times, Dr. Murthy writes, quote, "A Surgeon General's warning label, which requires congressional action, would regularly remind parents and adolescents that social media has not been proved safe." He says cigarette box warning labels helped dramatically reduce tobacco usage. Murthy points to data showing teens who spend 3 or more hours a day on social media face double the risk of anxiety or depression. The average user that age was on social media for almost 5 hours every day.
The big question we have is, what exactly is the warning label going to say? Because if I will tell you anything about teens, if you give them pointed directions and information, they're more likely to act on it. So maybe it could include things like, hey, watch out for your privacy, be aware of cyberbullying, be a good digital citizen, and take breaks.
Murthy has repeatedly sounded the alarm about excessive social media use.
Social media has not been a positive experience for many young people. I think it's a trauma that young people are experiencing in their lives in terms of violence in their communities, in terms of racism and discrimination.
The White House is calling on Congress to pass legislation to hold social media platforms accountable.
There is a mental health crisis. The Surgeon General's announcement is about reminding parents and also about reminding kids the risk of using social media.
A spokesman for the Tech Trade Association, NetChoice, called Murthy's proposal an oversimplification and said parents, not the government, should handle the unique needs of their children. Alex Stone, ABC News, Los Angeles.